Hello! Let's learn some colors. Sky blue color, brown color, yellow color, light green color, violet color, pink color, red color, orange color. Let's learn some numbers and numbers counting. Red color, number 1. Number 1. Number 1, 1 square. Dark blue color, number 2. Number 2. Number 2, 2 square. One, 2. Number 2, orange color. Number 3. Number 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 square. Violet color. Number 4. Number 4. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Yellow color. Number 5. Number 5. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 5. Light blue color. Number 6. Number 6. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 6. Let's count the number again. Number 1, 1 square. Number 2, 1, 2, 2 square. Number 3, 1, 2, 3. Number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.